guys, it's Mrs. Mejia.
And Ben.
Today we have something special for you. We are going to do a little science experiment.
Yep.
What are we doing?
We're going to show...
Wait. Drum roll.
We're going to show you guys the importance of washing your hands.
What do we need to do that?
So first, you're going to get 2 bowls.
2 bowls, check.
Fill one halfway up with water.
Oh, in case they can't see it, let's show them.
Yep.
Halfway up with water.
Leave the other.
Water.
Then you're gonna put some pepper in the bowl with water.
Pepper.
Yep.
Okay. So I think they have these ingredients at home, most likely.
Yeah.
What's that?
This is soap. Now the pepper will act as the germs and...
Wait. The pepper will be the germs?
Yep.
For pretend? Okay. I'm so good at pretending. I have an imagination.
So do I. You're in luck. Okay, so you get a little soap on your hand.
Mm-hmm.
Or your finger.
Mm-hmm.
Then...
Wait, can we make a prediction?
Yeah, go ahead.
I know I interrupt a lot. Sorry. What do we think might happen when you stick your finger in the pepper? I think, well, I'm not too sure what I think. What do you guys think?
Well, maybe because the pepper is acting like the germs, the pepper might go away from the soap. Or like get washed away from the soap.
Move away from the soap?
Yeah.
I think the
Like
word we're
germs.
probably looking for is maybe repel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Repel from the soap.
Repel from the soap. Let's find out.
So when you put your finger full of soap into the pepper bowl,
Whoa!
it goes away.
Did you see that?
Yep.
It moved away and your hand was barely close to it. Oh my goodness, that's exciting. Let's do it again. Hold on. Let's shake that up. Can I put a little bit more pepper in?
Yeah.
That was too much fun. Let's see. Here we go. Trying this again. We had to rinse out the bowl because there was soap in there and it wasn't working as well. Here we go.
All right. Get a little more soap in here.
Soap? Wait, do that again. I didn't see. Pouring more soap in
More soap in the bowl.
Okay.
Get a lot on your finger.
I'm so excited.
Then the pepper or the germs will repel from the soap. See
That's
that?
so cool.
Yeah. Whoa, that was cool. We should watch it again in slow motion.
Okay.
I'm so excited. And the pepper or the germs will repel from the soap. That's so cool!
And that is the importance of washing your hands.
Okay, kids, I hope you enjoyed that little experiment from Miss Mia and
Ben.
And that's something you can totally do at home.
Yeah.
By the way, if you do this project at home, will you snap a picture of it and send it to me over Remind? I'd love to see, I'm sure you would too.
Yep.
We'd love to see you doing the same thing at home. Okay, guys, bye. See you next
Bye.
time.